Hi, it's Claire from Cluesy. Thank you so much for tuning into my frequency today. I just wanted to touch base a little bit about Parkinson's and the research that I have done into Parkinson's disease, because I grew up in Victoria. I had a farm up in the wheat belt of Victoria, and I was nursing in a local hospital there as well. And we had clusters of Parkinson's disease, clusters of certain cancers and things. And I'm not the kind of person that sits there and goes, oh, that wasn't that unfortunate, isn't that unlucky? I'm the kind of person that says, well, why is that? So I've looked into WebMed, PubMed, which are the research where you go to find out medical research. It's called pubmed.com. Everybody can look at it. It's not specific to healthcare professionals. But I just want you to look into it a little bit. There has been zillions of studies into the use of chemicals in our agricultural system and the clusters of people that live rurally or that live as farmers that are having issues with Parkinson's. Now, what Parkinson's they've discovered is a buildup of certain proteins in the brain that erode the neurons, which is how your brain functions, and then it affects your levels of dopamine, which then affects how your body actually works. So, medical science will give you a pill and say, well, we can give you this pill, it'll stop the shakes. But why are they not looking into why it's there in the first place? Like, who owns the companies that are producing the chemicals that are in agriculture that are causing these problems? The same companies that own the tablets that you're taking. So I just the purpose of this video is not to teach you, it's just to ask you to open your eyes and just do your own research, because here at Cluesy Clinic, we are more and more about prevention is better than a cure. So if you can find out why these things are happening, then we can stop them, but we need to stop them together as a collective. We need to ask more questions as to why is there so many chemicals in our food supply? Why do we use so many chemicals, and they are proven by trial after trial after study that they are causing, that people that live in near particular vineyards have a 10% more chance of having Parkinson's than someone that doesn't. They use a particular chemical on the vines. Why are we not asking for these things to be better regulated? Why are we not asking for these things to be safety tested? Because I can tell you now, they are not, and it is affecting our health. Now, if you have ever met anybody with Parkinson's disease, you will know how debilitating it is, both for the person and for their family. So let's ask more questions. Let's get things changed. We do not need chemicals on our food supply. I have studied farming that is non-chemical, and it works. I have seen farm after farm after farm who do not use chemicals but use animals and symbiosis within the environment to do better than what a chemical can do. So please, I just implore you during Parkinson's week to look into why, when it's known that these chemicals are causing these diseases more than anything else, why they're still allowed to be used. So I just want to start the conversation. So please talk to your farming friends, if you happen to live near farms, or if you go to farmers markets, talk to them about the way they are farming. Don't just go to Coles and get your fruit and veggies, because they are sprayed with the same chemicals that are causing these things, and we're ingesting them. So please do yourself a favor, look into your food supply and look at the correlation between the chemicals and our health. Now, that I can do another video on how I can help, but I just want to start the conversation and just to maybe open your eyes a little bit to what is actually going on in our food supply. Okay, it's a bit heavy, but I'm sure that you will learn a bit and your eyes will be opened. So thanks for watching. Bye.